Okay, class, so today we are going to go over the parts of an effective paragraph, but we're going to look at it in terms of the parts of the body. So the first part that you have is your topic sentence. And now the topic sentence sets the idea for your paragraph. This tells you where your paragraph is going to go, just like your brain and your head tells your body where you're going to go. So we have our sample paragraph in front of us, and let's look at the sample paragraph and with a partner discuss the topic sentence. Is it stating an idea clearly and concisely? Okay, what do people think about this topic sentence? What are we saying about the use of cell phone? Or what's being established about the use of cell phones? Michelle?
That you're 4 times more likely to have an accident if you use one while driving.
So what's being set up for this paragraph?
They're going to talk about the dangers of using a phone while you drive.
Exactly. Now let's look at the next part. The next part is the body of the paragraph. Just like we have the body does what the brain tells it to. So we set up where we're going to go. So we're going to talk about the dangers of cell phone use. And now we're going to talk about the body, and the body is going to hold all of the things that support the head and the topic sentence. But the body, as we see here, is comprised of a subsection, and in the body you have the supporting sentences, and then you have concrete evidence. And the way you set up the body is you have a supporting sentence, and then you follow it with the concrete evidence that supports that supporting sentence. And the concrete evidence is a specific detail that expands on your point. So now let's look at the body of the paragraph together. I want you to look at the body individually, and we're going to underline the 2 different types of sentences. So if it's a supporting sentence that supports the topic sentence, I want you to underline it like this. And if it's a concrete evidence to support that supporting sentence, I want you to underline it with a squiggle. And then we're going to discuss it as a class. Okay, is everyone done?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to read out loud the body of the paragraph, and I want you to put up a 1 if it's a supporting sentence, and a 2 if it is concrete evidence. Okay. The major problem is that the driver is not focused on the road, but on his or her conversation. That's right, that is a supporting sentence. Cell phone drivers are very unpredictable. They weave, tailgate, drive too fast or too slow, make improper turns, run red lights, and even stop at green ones. So we see that the body really supports your topic sentence, just the same way your body supports you. And then you have the concrete evidence that does the smaller things that really gets your evidence out there. So the final part of a sentence is the final part of a paragraph, is the concluding sentence. And we're going to look at this as if it's your feet. Because your feet take you where you want to go. It's the bottom of your body, it's the end of your body, but it takes you to your next destination. And so the point of your concluding sentence should be to wrap up this paragraph, but also to be a transition into your next paragraph. So let's read this last sentence, or this last conclude, because this is actually a concluding phrase. It's 2 sentences. Does someone want to read it for the class? Arturo?
These are the same problems that occur with drunk driving, which is strictly outlawed and harshly enforced. For For the same reasons, California needs laws that restrict the use of cell phones in cars.
Okay, so what do we think about this concluding phrase that can also be considered a concluding sentence? Is it walking us to the next point? What will the next paragraph be about? Michelle?
Laws that restrict the use of cell phones while driving.
Exactly. Okay, so in order for us to remember the parts of an effective paragraph, we're going to learn a song about a paragraph, okay? And we're going to use our body since we compared it to a body. So I need everybody to clap, and this is how it goes. We came to write, and then you say, we came to write, or we call a response. We came to write.
We
came to write.
We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to demonstrate all night. So let's do that part. We came to demonstrate all night. We got the topic sentence. We got the body paragraph with the supporting ideas and concrete evidence. We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to demonstrate all night.
We
We came to
came to write.
demonstrate all night. We got the concluding sentence on the way to the next paragraph. We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to demonstrate all night. We got the topic sentence, we got the body paragraph with supporting ideas and concrete evidence. We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to write.
We came to demonstrate all night. We got the concluding sentence on the way to the next paragraph.